If you want to make your document look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read, learning how to add paragraph shading in Microsoft Word is a really useful skill. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to highlight a paragraph with color using Word's built-in shading tool. It's a simple formatting trick, but it can make headings stand out, separate sections more clearly, and give your document a more polished look. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and software tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, open your Word document and select the paragraph or paragraphs you want to shade. You can click and drag to highlight a single paragraph, or hold a Control and select multiple paragraphs if you want to apply the same shading to more than one section. Once your text is selected, go up to the Home tab at the top of Word. The Home tab contains most of the basic formatting tools you'll need, including font options, alignment tools, line spacing, and paragraph styling. After that, look for the paragraph group on the ribbon. In that section, find the shading button. It usually looks like a small paint bucket icon. Click the arrow next to the shading button to open the color menu. This is where you can choose the background color that will appear behind your selected paragraph. Word gives you several color options, so you can pick something subtle like light gray or light yellow for a clean professional look, or choose a stronger color if you want the paragraph to really stand out. Once you click a color, Word will immediately apply the shading to the selected paragraph, and that's it. Your paragraph now has a colored background behind it. If you want to change the shade later, just select the paragraph again and choose a different color from the same shading menu. If you want to remove the shading completely, go back to the shading button and choose no color. That will return the paragraph to a plain white background. This is especially helpful when you're formatting reports, resumes, study notes, meeting documents, or any file where you want certain sections to stand out without using too much text formatting. You can also combine paragraph shading with other formatting options like bold text, borders, or headings to make your document even easier to scan. So just remember the simple process. Select the paragraph, go to the Home tab, click the arrow next to the shading button in the paragraph group, and choose your color. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.